Hi children, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about one new chapter, that is getting started with HTML. Okay, getting started with HTML. So what is an HTML? Why we are learning this HTML? What's the importance? Where and all we are using, everything we are going to discuss. First of all, what's the use of HTML? HTML is used to create web pages. So it is used to create web pages. Okay. So children, uh, daily life we are checking which is the best restaurant in Google, and which is if you want to buy a product, that also we are checking everything where you can see in the web pages. Okay. So in order to create that web pages, we are learning what HTML. Okay, everything in Google, thousands of web pages are available. Not only products and restaurant, you can search your subject related questions also you can ask. You can search everything. So everything where you are seeing in a web pages. So today we are going to learn how to create a web pages. I think after this class I can promise that you can create your own web pages. Okay. So what is an HTML? How can you define an HTML? HTML is a computer language. HTML is a computer language which is used to create documents. Web pages also we can call it as a document, which is used to create document for display on World Wide Web. So that is the use of, or that is the definition for an HTML. HTML is a computer language which is used to create web pages for display on World Wide Web. That is the definition for an HTML. So what's the full form first? Yes, many students are asking what's the full form of HTML. Okay, so what's the full form? Hypertext Markup Language. What is the full form? Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so here this HTML, for HTML, main requirements for HTML is what? Yes, text editor and web browser. Text editor and web browser. So text editor means what? If you're using Windows and all, main text editor you used to see is Notepad. Okay, that is one of the text editor. You can use another text editor and all, no problem. And second, what we need, web browser. Any web browser you can use. Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. Any web browser you can use. Okay. So these are the requirements for the HTML. Next, what are the process to execute? Process to execute this HTML. Yes, first what you want to do is you want to type the code in where? Text editor, where we are typing all the codes in the text editor. After that you want to, second step what? You want to save the file. You want to save the file with an extension. Okay, when we are talking about extension, you know that if you are saving the what in each and every file present in a computer is having extension. If it is a word, extension is doc, then if it is what any other, if you want to store a sound that is audio, like mp3 .mp3, pictures .jpeg, like that many extensions are there, no? Likewise for HTML also there are extension like .html. Okay, that is the extension. Okay, so you, second step what? You want to save the file with an extension. What extension? .html. Next what? Or you can use .htm, .html or .htm. Next, third step what? You want to open this file in where? In any web browser like Internet Explorer. Then you can see your web page. That is the process of this in order to create a web page. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the main features of an HTML. What are the main features of an HTML? It is easy to understand and use. Very easy. Okay. No additional software is required to execute HTML code. No additional software is needed. It allows you to display different multimedia component together in a web page. Multimedia means multiple. Okay, multiple medias you can use in HTML, and it can be used with all kinds of browsers. Any browser, with all kinds of browsers you can use this HTML. Then it does not require any prior knowledge of any programming language. So in order to learn this HTML, you don't want to learn any other language. Okay, directly you can learn this. That is features of this HTML. Okay.